So today we are testing, this is the field test for the Duette hand portable. I can't even remember the model number as I talked to you. We did it about 4 weeks ago and we were unable to fit in a field test with it. I was going to do the field test for the Midland, what, 48 is it? No, 40 something. I was going to do the walkie-talkie anyway, is it 42? And I can't find it at the moment, so we're doing the other back issue, shall we say, and so today it's the Duette hand portable, which I seem to recall is half a watt 40 channel and is really the DNT in disguise. So
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, right next position.
Tango 21, I'm now ready for your first call.
Roger.
So he's at his first destination, which is top of the hill, 1.5 miles away, just outside the other side of Ancaster. Yeah, Tango 21 receiving you, Mr. Chippie, over.
Roger that, come through loud and clear, so I'll get on to the next one.
Roger, do you want to just press your call tone so we can hear it?
Roger.
Excellent, thank you. Move on to the next one. So this is a 1/2 watt handheld. And he's 1.5 miles away, and I wouldn't say that was the best signal in the world. Okay, Roger, I'll wait for 30 seconds, then I'll call you on it, and if I don't receive you in 15 seconds, I'll say no signals received, because it's a 1/2 watt radio, and we may not get it anywhere else, over.
Roger, don't forget to get the aerial up on this, so a bit more than 30 seconds.
Okay, Roger. You can always try and call me with the call tone.
Roger.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over? Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over? Tango 21 have just received the call tone at Scratchy Corner. Just received the call tone at Scratchy Corner. Move on to the next spot. Yeah, Tango 21, you're back in the car.
Yeah, roger that. I was getting you loud and clear, but clearly you couldn't hear me enough.
Okay, just move on to the next one. That's fine, thank you.
Tango 21 in position at Wilford level crossing lay-by.
Roger on that. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over? Tango 21, I think I can just hear you. Can you press your call tone, over? Okay, Roger, that's fine. Right, move on to the next one, over. Right, now I will not be able to receive you from the Kelby. I can only just hear the call tone at the Wilsford one, so there's no point really in trying to talk back to me. I just want to demonstrate that you can hear on the radio. You can give it a go, press the call tone or something, because I'm not going to be receiving you, I'm sure, over.
You want to leave this as the last test then, because there's no point in going further if he's only received a call tone, there's nothing.
Absolutely, yeah. So just get out on this one and I will talk to you and hopefully you can receive me over. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie, Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Duette hand portable, and just try and send me a call tone back. Tango 21, nothing received, return to base.
Tango 21, you were loud and clear again there, so yeah, that's fine.
Okay, return to base. As you say, there's no point carrying on. Okay, so it did 1.5 miles, and then when he dropped down into Wilsford at Scratchy Corner, we'd just hear his call tone, and that's kind of 2 miles away. Then he went to the other side of the village, 2.5 miles away to the level crossing, and that's normally fine. Could just hear him speaking. He's always a little bit better than it would be at Scratchy Corner, and we heard the call tone again. Then from Kelby, absolutely nothing. So we've curtailed the test at that point, and so that radio on our difficult terrain test has done 1.5 miles easily, and really struggled at the 2 mile point, and just discernible with the call tone at the 2.5 mile points. So that's the conclusion on the 1/2 watt Duette, which is of course the same as the DNT. I think it's HF12/13, the 40 channel 1/2 watt one anyway. So there you have it. We've done the field test, and that is it. Thank you for watching.